Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to leave a review on TikTok Shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok application, mobile application, which of course is done right here. Now, where can you find TikTok? You can find it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and look at the search bar. In the search bar, type TikTok and follow through the on-screen prompt to install. Upon successful installation, it's going to take you to the TikTok homepage where you're going to be asked to either log in or create a new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to the TikTok homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on TikTok. Now let's hop into today's steps, is how to leave a review on TikTok Shop. For you to leave a review on TikTok Shop, it means you have to connect your TikTok Shop to your TikTok account. Head over to your TikTok Shop seller account or TikTok Shop account, that's the seller center, and follow through with the prompt to link your TikTok Shop to your TikTok official account. After linking, you're going to see the shop button right here at the bottom corner of this TikTok official account. So go ahead and click on the shop button, which you're going to find at the bottom corner. And once you click on the shop button, you're going to see a couple of options at the bottom of your screen, which include orders, coupons, messages, addresses, payments, and help. So select orders. Once you select orders, you're going to see the list of all the orders that you've made. So click on the order that you want to write a review on. And once you select the order, you're going to see an option, the button that says write a review. Select write a review, and it's going to take you to a window where you can now write a review and give rating. So after rating the app, after rating the order or rating the product and adding the review, the next button that you're going to find is submit. You're also going to find an upload option for you to upload whatever you want to upload. And then the next thing you're going to see is submit. So hit the submit button and it's going to take you to the confirmation window that tells you that your review has been submitted and has been added. That's pretty much it. That's how you can leave a review on TikTok Shop using the TikTok app. Don't forget, you have to link your TikTok Shop to your TikTok official account for you to find the shop button at the bottom corner of your TikTok official account. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.